Round, round, round. Round, round, round. Round, round, round. Stop. Please come, 3 students, and take 3 pictures from the tray. Only 3. What bird can you see?
Can you see peacock?
Very good. I can see a peacock. What bird can you see?
I can see a parrot.
What bird can you see?
Can you see a crow?
Crow. Round, round, round. Round, round, round. Round, round, round. Round, round, round. Form a circle. Stop. Please come, 3 students, and take the pictures from the tray. Show to me. Come here. What bird can you see?
I can see parrot.
I can see a parrot. Solunga.
I can see a parrot.
What bird can you see?
I can bulbul.
I can see a
I can see a
bulbul. Very good. What bird can you see? See a crow. Very good. All of you clap your hands.